Namaste students. Now we are in the second method in case of game theory, that is dominance principle. Yesterday we solved one problem under dominance principle. I know that you might not have clear about that concept. You will be clear, don't worry. If you go through one 6 to 7 problems, you will be very clear about this particular problem. It is easy, it is not so difficult. Now we'll solve some other problems in today's session. Now see the problem there. Solve the following game by dominance principle. Now we'll write the solution there. We'll write the problem once again. Here B, and here strategies are B1, B2, B3 and B4. 4 strategies. And here player A, A1, A2, A3 and A4. Here also 4 strategies. Player A. Now write the payoff matrix of player A. There it is, -7, 0, 3, -5, 7, -2, 0, -4, then -2, -1, -2 and 0, then 4, 2, 3 and 6. Now here many negative values we have. Now what did I say? You have to remember, firstly we compare row wise. When we compare row wise, we have to, the largest row is a dominating row. Largest row is the dominating row. Row wise, once again I am writing here, row wise, largest row is a dominating one. In case column wise, the smallest row is a dominating one. We need to find out which is the dominating one, but we are not deleting the dominating one. Other one we are deleting. The row or the which column the particular row is dominates, other one we have to delete. Understand it clearly. In case of row wise, we have to see which is the largest row. In case of column, we have to see which one is the smallest row. By keeping the row which dominates, other one we have to delete. And while comparing also, if we get one value here large, one value here large, that we cannot say it as the largest row. We have to get all the row. If it is equal, okay. Now 3 values are equal, one is greater here when it compared with first one. So this we consider as a largest one. Equal okay, but equal okay or some other values may greater. It shouldn't be, but all the values we should get. Now here firstly we compare strategy A1 and A2. -7 and 7. Here 7 is greater. 0 and -2. Here 0 is greater. So here with this only we can understand, one value we get greater here, one value we get greater here. So comparison is not possible. We have to get continuously greater either in this column, either in this row or in this row. So with these two, comparison is not possible. We are moving further. Strategy A1 with A3, -7, -2, which is greater. -2 is greater. In case of negative signs, the smallest value will be the greater value. So -2 is the greater. Then 0, -1, which is the greater. 0 is the greater. Here also same thing. One value we get greater one here, one value we get greater one here. So A1, A3 comparison is not possible. We are moving the A1 with A4. We compared A1 with A2, not possible. A1 with A3, not possible. Now A1 with A4. When we compare -7, 4, which is greater, 4 is greater. 0 and 2, which is greater, 2 is greater. 3 and 3, equal, it's okay. -5 and 6, which is greater, 6 is greater. So this particular row we get completely greater than this row. 4 is greater than -7, 2 is greater than 0, 3 equals, 6 is greater than -5. So here we can consider this is the dominating row when it compared with strategy A1. So strategy A4 dominates A1, we can delete A1. Now we know that we can delete this one. Strategy A4. Strategy A4 dominates A1. That we know, we got it. Strategy A4 dominates A1. Now we have to see whether this particular row, whether it dominates A3 or A2. One second we can check. Now we checked only A4 with A1. So we got this is the dominating row. It dominates this one. Now we can check whether it dominates this or this. We'll check 4 and 7. 7 is greater. -2 and 2. Here 2 is greater. And here 0 and 3. Here 3 is greater. -4 and 6. 6 is greater. So with this comparison is not possible. Here this will be the greater and rest 3 this will be the greater. So comparison is not possible with A2 and A4. Now we are checking A4 with A3. -2, 4. 4 is greater. -1 and 2. 2 is greater. -2 and 3. 3 is greater. 0 and 6. 6 is greater. Here also we can get that this dominates this one. So strategy A4 dominates strategy A1 as well as A1 and A3. So delete A1 and A3. Delete A1 and A3. I hope you are clear. This particular row, it is greater than this row and this row. So it dominates. Firstly, you will get that this row dominates only this. Once if we get one row as dominating one, then we can check it with other rows also. Whether this particular row dominates any other row. If it dominates, we can strike 2 rows also here, or else we can go with 1. We are not getting any 1. We can move further also. Now what is remaining there? Now player B, which are the strategies? B1, B2, B3 and B4. And in case of player A, which strategies are remaining? A2 and A4. A2 and A4, that is player A. Now write the values, remaining values. 7, -2, 0, -4, then 4, 2, 3 and 6. Now row wise comparison over. Now we have to compare column wise. What did I say? Row wise, largest row is the dominating one. Yes, this is the largest row, dominating one. But column wise, we need to see which is the smallest column. Smallest column dominates the other one. Now we have to check which is the smallest column. Now start with first 7 and -2, which is the small. Here small is -2. 4 and 2, which is the small 2. So this particular column, it dominates this one, this particular column, because it is the smallest column. Now we got here dominating column as B2. It dominates B1. We deleted. It dominates B1. Now see strategy B2 dominates B1. Now we got one column as a dominating column. Which one? No need to write here D. This is for your understanding. I am writing. We got B2 as a dominating column since it is largest from the B1. Now once if we get one column as a dominating one, we cut one particular column which it dominates. Now we can check whether it dominates other 2 columns or not. -2 and 0, which is small here. 2 is small. 2 and 3, which is small. 2 again, it is smaller than this column. Again it dominates this one. Again it dominates B3. So dominates B1 comma B3. We'll check once again whether it dominates other one also, which is remaining. Minus 2 and minus 4, which is small. Minus 4 is small, and so 6 and 2, here 2 is small. However, we cannot delete because we get minus 4 is the smaller than minus 2. Other one, yes, we get this only. So it cannot dominate this one. It dominates B3 and B1. And B1. So delete B1 and B2. Delete B1 and delete B1 and B3. I hope you are clear. Here when we compare B4 and B2, it will not remain as what is smallest value, because one we get here, one we get here. So comparison is not possible. Now we will move further. What is remaining here? Player B. What strategies are remaining? B2 and B4. Then player A, A2 and player A, A2 and A4. Player A. Values are minus 2, minus 4, 2 and 6. Now see. Now here row wise comparison over. Here column wise over. And here once again we have to go with row wise. Row, column, row. Now you see, in case of row wise, what did I say? We have to find the largest row. Now compare the A2 and A2. Sorry, A2 and A4. Sorry, A2 and A4. Here minus 2 and 2. 2 is the largest. Minus 4 and 6. 6 is the largest. Which row is the largest row? A4 is the largest row. It dominates A2. So here strategy A4 dominates strategy A4 dominates A2. So delete A2. Now what is remaining? There, in case of player B, delete A, sorry, A2, delete A2. Okay. Now what is remaining? Player B, that is B2 and B4, 2 and 6. Here it is A4 in case of player A. In case of player A, 2 and 6, that is strategy A4 is remaining. Now row wise, column wise, row wise, again we have to go column wise. So column wise, which we have to find smallest, which is the smallest row. Which is the smallest column? Smallest column is 2. So this is dominating now. 2 is dominates other one. So B4, strategy B4, 6 we have to delete. So what will remain at the end? Now see, here player B and player A. Now what strategy? Player B, B2 strategy, player A, A4 strategy. With that the value 2. The value 2 will remain at the end. So here we have to go with column wise. Here 2 is the smallest column. In case of column, we have to see which is the smallest. 2 is the smallest column. Smallest column will dominate other one. So we deleted the which is the largest one. So what will remain? 2 will remain. So here what is the saddle point? Here saddle point. Saddle point is, what is the point? 4, 2. 4, 2. And value of the game. Value of the game is else we can write here? Best strategies. Best strategies for player A. What is the best strategy for player A? Player A is A4, and for player B it is B2. Now, in previous problem, they have asked the question whether is the game fair. In this question they did not ask that question, is the fair game? Is the game fair? If they ask that question, this is not a fair game since we did not get 0 here. If we get 0 here, we can write this is a fair game. This here we did not get 0. It's not necessary to write whether it's a fair game or not because they have not asked in the question. Now, I hope you are clear about this. Clear in the sense on an average you might have cleared. It is easy, not so difficult problem. Firstly we have to go with row wise, then column wise. Row wise, which is the dominating one, largest row is the dominating one, other you have to delete. The column wise, the smallest column is the dominating one, other one you have to delete. Now we can see some other problem. We'll see some other problems. Now we'll solve one more problem. Third problem, solve the following game by dominance principle. Now see the problem there. Player B 4 strategies and player A 3 strategies. We'll write the solution here. Player B and this side player A. B1, B1, B2, B3 and here B4, then here A1, A2 and A3. Now 5, 2, 1, 6, here 2, 1, 0, 2, then 7, 5, 4 and 5. 5, 2, 1, 6, 2, 1, 0, 2, 7, 5, 4, 5. Now we'll start the comparison. Now row wise comparison start there. First row strategy A1 with A2. 5 and 2. 5 is greater. 2 and 1. 2 is greater. 1 and 0. 1 is greater. 6 and 2. 6 is greater. So we can say that this row dominates A2. The strategy A1 dominates A2. So we can delete A2. So we can delete A2. So here strategy A1 dominates A2. So delete A2. So delete A2. Now as I said, we got the first row as dominating one. Now check first row with the third row. 7 and 5. 7 is greater. 5 and 2. 5 is greater. 1 and 4. 4 is greater. 6 and 5. 6 is greater. So comparison is not possible. These three values are greater here, but one value is greater here. So with this comparison is not possible. So we are moving further for a column wise comparison. Now write player B, B1, B2, B3 and B4, and player 1A, there it is A1 and A3 strategy is remaining. So write the values 5, 2, 1, 6, 7, 5, 4 and 5. And here it is player A. Now row wise comparison over, we have to go to column wise. Here you check, in the first column we get there properly one column as the smallest column, this B3. Check here, 1 is smaller than all these 3. Here 4 is smaller than all these 3. So easily we get one particular column as smallest as compared with other. Now if you want, you can compare first row with second column, sorry, not row, column, third column. If you get, firstly you need to see, can you find any one of the first, in the first site itself you can find one particular row. Now see, if you go, the comparison means 5 and 2, this is small, 7 and 5, this you will get as dominating one. This you will get as dominating one initially when you go for comparison with the first and second. But further if you compare here, this is smaller than this. This is smaller than this. Then once again if you go, this is smaller than this also. So easily we can get this row is a, this column is a dominating one when it compared with B1, B2 and B4. Now 1 is smaller than 5 and 4 is smaller than 7. Yes, with B1 and B3 also, B3 dominates B1. With these two, 1 is smaller than 2, 4 is smaller than 5. Yes, again it dominates B2. Then with B4, 1, 6, 4 and 5. Again it dominates B4. So here strategy B3 dominates B1, B2 and B4. So delete B1, B2 and B4. B1, B2 and B4. What will remain there? Then player B, the player A, there remains A1 and A3. Here remains strategy B3. What are the values? 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Now row wise comparison over, column wise comparison. Then comes here again row wise comparison. Row, column, row. Now row wise comparison, which is the dominating row. Largest one is the dominating row. Largest one is 4. It dominates the smallest one. So here strategy A3 dominates A1. So delete A1. Now we have to write the saddle point. What is the saddle point here? For this problem, saddle point is 3, 3. Saddle point is 3, 3. Value of the game is 4. Then comes strategies, best strategies. So strategies for player A. What is the best strategy for player A? Player A, it is A3. Sorry, we need to write, okay. We need to write at the end. Here player B, I forgot to write. Player B, which will remain at the end, that we have to write. Player A, what will remain? Player A3 will remain. Player B here, which will remain, B3 will remain. So what will remain? Remaining value is 4. So for player A, what is the strategy? A3. For player B, it is B3. So this is also not fair game. Not necessary to write. We have got at the end as value as 4 here. So this is the third problem under dominance principle. I hope you might have clear, some of you might have clear, some of you might not have clear even now. So with this we can wind up with the today's session. In tomorrow's class further 1, 2 or 3 problems I will discuss. Then we can wind up with this particular topic, and also that third unit, that is game theory. So we can wind up for today's session.